This video will teach you how to control toys quickly and easily in Lovense Remote. You can download Lovense Remote on Google Play or Apple Store. After downloading, open Lovense Remote. First, you need to connect the toy. Tap the connection icon or plus sign in the upper right corner to enter the toy connection page. Tap Search Toys, select your toy and connect. Please note that toys must be turned on to connect successfully. After the connection, return to the home page, find Remote on the home page, and tap to enter. On the Remote page, you can control your toy by manipulating the control ball. Different control balls represent the functionalities of different toys. In the control panel, you can choose circular control mode, floating control mode, and traditional control mode. Different control modes bring you different fun. In addition, if the toy you connect is one of the 4 toys Nora, Max, Sex Machine, and Caller, you can also control it by local sync. The way of local sync is that when you move or interact with these 4 toys, other toys will automatically vibrate according to the shaking frequency of these 4 toys, that is, the mode of induction vibration. That's all for how to use this remote feature. Download it on Google Play or Apple Store and give it a try.
Lovense. Sex tech for everyone.